Now discuss about surd. So if the root of a rational number, any rational number, is an irrational number, resulting is known as a surd. If what will be the root of rational number? So what is root? So 2 is rational number. Okay, 2 can be represented in p by q form. So 2 is rational number. After root it will give irrational number, that is irrational number, non-terminating and non-occurring decimals 1.4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, dot dot dot. So this is, so 3 is, what is 3? 3 is rational number. After root it will be irrational number. So this root 2, root 3, root 6, root 5, root 7, these are the irrational number, or this is known as a surd. So now sign, this sign is called radical sign. What is this sign? Is called radical sign. Now what is the parts? So this is radical sign, radical sign, and a, here a is called radical and n is the order of surd. So whole is the surd. What is whole? Is the surd. So whole is the surd, n is the order of surd, and a is the radical, and this sign is called radical sign. Now again, some properties of surd. Some properties of surd. So if nth root, now it is written as the nth root. What is nth root of radical a? Nth root of a. So some properties of surd. So nth root of a to the power n is again a. It means, for example, so if here third root a and again is 3 to the power, so now here is 2, so again this will be the 2. So n root n, that is 3 root 2 3 2q, so it will even give 2. Okay, now 3, so root m to the power root n to the power a, root over root, this is the root over root, that will be this an order of root, and this order of root must be multiply, and then this give the, so let if here is third root 2 and over this fourth root, so what will be this? So 4 into 3, and this will be 2, and this will be the 12 root 2 again. So it may be reverse in order. So here will be third root and root over root, this will be also given the 3 into 4 and root 2, that is 12 root 2. So again p n root p times root over a plus q times root over a. Then in this way, in this condition, what will happen? Their coefficient, this surd coefficient is p and this surd coefficient is q. So these are the same order and radicals, so this will give the p plus q, that is p plus q. It means 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3, in this case 2 plus 6 root 3, and again if 2 root 3 minus 6 root 3, it will gives 2 minus 6 root 3, that will be minus 4 root 3. So these are the same. So again NAB, so what will happen here? So let if third root 6 is also equal to 3 root 3, So 6 can be written as third root 3 into 3, and it can be written as third root 3 into third root 2. Okay, now again, if nth root a divided by nth root b, in this case a, so radicals are divided in a one radical sign, so one radical sign and same order in this case. So these are the properties. Like and unlike sorts, again like and unlike sort, like sorts means same order and same radicants, same order and same radicants. For example, same order and same radicants, that is root 2 and 2 root 2 or 3 root 2. So these are the like, what, like sorts. So what is unlike sorts? Same order, but the different radicants, or different order but same radicants are the unlike sorts. For example, root 2 and third root 2 are unlike sorts. What? Unlike sorts, because here order is 2, here order is 3, but radicant is same. But if in this way, third root 2 and third root 3, here radicants is different, order is same 3 3, but radicants is different, so are unlike sorts. So this is the unlike sorts. Now uh, now move to exercise 1. Find two rational numbers between 1 and 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So how to find? Let 1a, here let x and y be two rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So therefore x will given by half and 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 after adding this. So what will happen? So 1 by 2 into 3 plus 4 divided by 12, 7 by 24. So therefore y is equal to 1 by now again how to find 1 by 3, half times of 1 by 3 plus, now after that this finding 1 by 24, this will be written here and this is from here. So 1 by 24, so half into 24 plus 8 plus 7, that will be 15 divided by 48. So 7 by 24 and 15 by 48 are the required rational numbers. Now 3. Express the following sorts into the simplest form. How to do it? Here now C, number C. So here is root under 48. So what we can read can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4 and 4 8, 8 16 and 13. So what will happen? So here 2 square, 2a square into 3. So 2 and 2 will be come out. So what will be? Root under 3 and again 4 root 3. This is the simplest form of root over 48. In this way another numerical can be done. Now change the following into pure surds. So I am doing D. So here D 5 third root 2. So what will be the, if we take inside of radical sign in of 5, so it will be 3 into 2, so that third root, so this will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 2, so third root 25, and again is multiplied 125 into 2, so again it is multiplied, so it will be 250. This will be the answer. Other types of question I will discuss in later video. Thank you.